Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Belle knot. That's the French word for beautiful. Let's go ahead and get started. 2 ties for this one. They're going to both be at my left side at the belt line area. We're going to come over. We're just going to bring both of them across. We're going to bring it down and around like this. Then we're going to come down like so with both of them. Like this. And then we're going to again kind of go at an angle down with both of them. And so then we're going to come back around here like this, and then I'm going to bring these two up through this right here. Here we have it. And one of these ties is shorter than the other, so the top one is shorter than the bottom one, so the green one is. So I'm going to put that in consideration when I do this. So right at this point, I'm going to bring this one down and around like this. Actually, I'm going to do a wreath down and around like this. And then I'm going to put it up and through there like that. Actually, ignore that. We are going to do a wreath like this. Bring it up like that. There we go. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half, this other one. I'm going to bring it over the top of what I just did. I'm going to secure it like this. Then I'm going to go around and across like so. Fold it in half again, and then back across like so. So I have 2 on this side here. So it's overlapping over here. You can see it. 1, 2, and then we have that. Then we have this here. So there you go, the Belle knot. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We will see you in the next video. Again, follow me on Instagram for all of the official pictures for all of these knots. And you never know, if you've created a tie knot, I'll wear it for you. Okay, so peace and God bless. See you next time.